Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see a problem which is based on a support vector machine in the deep learning. So suppose we have one feature x belongs to r and the binary class y. The data set consists of 3 points. Point 1 x1 y1 minus 1 minus 2. Point 2 is 1 1. Point 3 is 3 1. Which of the following is true with respect to the support vector machine? So here these four options are given. Maximum margin will increase if you remove point P2 from the training set. Maximum margin will increase if you remove the point P3 from the training set. Maximum margin will remain same if you remove the point P2 from the training set. None of the above. So for this we'll take the solution like this. So here, so first point minus 1 minus 1, so we'll take the this ASTC, that is plus plus minus minus, first, second, third and fourth quadrant. Minus 1 we will locate here, plus 1 we will locate here, and plus 3 means here we will locate here according to the standard this coordinate system. Next, what is the question here? Which of the following is true with respect to support vector machine? So here if we consider the first one, maximum margin will increase. Now look at this. Maximum margin will increase if we remove the point P2 from the training set. So here first of all we should draw here the maximum margin. How to draw the maximum margin? So here this is one point and this is another point. So assume that this belongs to some class and this belongs to some class, and from this class, which is the very nearing point to this class, is this one, and which is the very nearing point to this class is this one. So you should draw a line here like this. One second. A line like this which connects this point and also this point, which are parallel lines you can take. Okay, so that these are the rough diagram. So we will call this as a margin. Now read the question. Maximum margin will increase if we remove the point P2 from the training set. Suppose if we remove this point P2, if I remove this point P2, this point is eliminated, means this margin will shift here. So this margin is extended and it is going to be increased if we remove the point P2 from the training set. Let us examine second one. Maximum margin will increase if we remove point P3 from the training set. So suppose if we remove this point, so already the margin is here, so it is not affecting anything. If you remove the point P3, so it doesn't change. Maximum margin doesn't change. If you remove this, it is going to increase. The margin is going to be increased. What is the third one? Maximum margin will remain same if you remove the point P2 from the training set. So this is not the case. So if it is going to be increased, right? So if okay, so this is the problem with respect to a support vector machine. So here, which is the support vector? The support vector is, in this case, it is P2. Okay, support vector is a vector where you are going to consider a margin between two minimum distance vectors. Okay, so this is a small problem. So based on this we can see n number of problems, and for this problem also we can go for the n number of combinations. So what is going to happen if you remove P2? What is going to happen if you remove P3? What is going to happen if we are going to remove P1? So like this, phase margin is going to be increased, it is going to be decreased, like that. Okay, so this is the problem solution. Thank you. We'll see in the next video with the next topic. Stay tuned to this channel for the latest notifications. Click on the bell icon. Thank you.